Hi everyone, my name is Giovanna Chavez and I will be presenting to you a presentation about metamorphic rocks. So again, this is a presentation by me. So what is a metamorphic rock? It's a rock that has been subjected to high heat and pressure. They're found deep within Earth. They're derived from igneous and sedimentary rock, and they go through a process called metamorphism. And as you can see on the side over here, there is a picture of magma deep within Earth, and it's showing where that increasing contact of metamorphism is causing this process of metamorphic rock. So these are types of metamorphic rocks. On the side you'll see I've got shale, slate, quartzite, marble, gneiss, also like granite, phyllite, and schist, also biotite. It's a form of it. And to the right you'll see some pictures depicted there of the shale, slate, phyllite, schist, and then gneiss. And it shows how they change form, or I guess how it's created as metamorphism increases. Then you've got the foliated versus non-foliated metamorphic rocks. So when it's foliated, they appear to have layers of rock, and this is produced by exposure of heat and pressure. And the non-foliated metamorphic rocks don't have that layered appearance, but instead have more of a granular appearance. And they're formed by igneous intrusions when the heat is high, but the pressure is low. So to the left, you'll see that there's a picture depicted of how foliation is, where you can see the separate layers there, and they're pretty parallel to each other in the alignment in which they are forming. On the right, you have an image of quartzite, and you can see it's like a chunk of rock, basically. There's not really any parallel layers there forming, or that have formed, I'm sorry. Here you will see a chart of the foliated and non-foliated metamorphic rocks. It has the names on the side as well as pictures of the slate there and all the other ones there, and there's some characteristics there. And you can see where the foliated one, it says as the temperature increases and the pressure, it's got that whole section there. At the bottom for the non-foliated, you've got those two there, and that. And this here is the rock cycle. I just thought it'd be kind of neat to throw this picture in there just so you can see as a whole how how metamorphic rock comes to be. You know, you need to start with the sediments or the igneous rocks for it to even get to that point. You know, how it starts all above land and just kind of goes beneath Earth's surface. And voila, it entails there. And this here is my works cited page. Has all three of my references that I used in order to create this presentation. I hope you all enjoyed it and used sense of it. Bye-bye.